Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a gold US dollar forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 29th May 2023 and the week will end on Friday 2nd June 2023. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be enjoying your lives. And if I talk about the last week, it was a very fantastic week. All of the levels worked really well on gold. I will recommend to go through all of my videos for gold, at least that I uploaded this year, and you will get a very clear idea that how I trade and how I make profits on consistent basis. Plus, I also teach these things to you. So all of the videos are there on my channel, and I'm sure if you go through it, you watch them all, you will not only understand my strategy, but you will be like indirectly learning a sort of psychological, you can say, a psychological effect on you, that you will always wait for the markets and then you will be trading from the levels that the strategy on which I trade suggest. So any level that a strategy suggests you, if you take that trade, you will be profitable. I will recommend to follow these levels on the demo accounts, obviously, because I have at this moment I have no idea how many of you are beginners, how many of you are inconsistent, how many, like, there are a lot of factors that I have to consider, because not every one is trading with the same equity, right, and not the same leverage. So that's why try to give it these levels a try on the demo, and I'm sure enough you will be understanding so much new concepts that are never shared on YouTube by anyone, right? And I'm sharing it with all of you free of cost, right? So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and find out where is gold going and what are the trade opportunities that we can get from the gold and then make profit, obviously. So last week, let me tell you that I also live streamed. The stream was not so long, so 2.5 hours. Make sure if you have time, go through that. You can watch that with a 2x speed or 5x speed, that depends on you. We took several trades, very nice. 4 trades I took live, and all of them were profitable. So let's jump into charts and find out what it's going to give us next. So right here, as you can see, gold, US dollar, and this is the weekly time frame. You will remember that when I was talking about this reversal, everyone was busy in taking buys. How many of the time I have told you this is not an area where we should be looking for buy trades. I'm not sure why, but this market is like created in such a way that it will try to trap you. If you have no good experience, you will always be falling into a trap. So this reversal 2062 was a very nice reversal. It went up $10 against us, but that's fine. And obviously a rejection from there. And the current story that I'm following is from 2044. I'm like in every video I'm giving a reference of this uh, because at a price point from where I become a seller, I have to share that with you. And I will be bear on gold unless I get some reversals and break aboves from the levels that I will be sharing today in today's forecast. So let's remind the previous studies a little bit, and previous that previously what we have covered is on the H4. What I'm following is definitely a sell from 2044, but obviously Fibonacci is right here, so I'm highlighting this area of 2044 48.75. Very nicely the market dropped, very nicely, then a very nice pullback and a very nice completion of the pattern, and I will be showing you that this pattern got completed 2 weeks ago, not in the week that closed on this Friday, but in the week that closed the last Friday. I exactly don't remember the days. I think 15th till 19th May it occurred. This got completed, and the story obviously of this ABCD pattern finished, right? A very nice impulsive wave. All of you who traded it with me, whether you are here on the YouTube or if you are my premium, my premium client, I'm sure if you are a subscriber, I'm sure you must have got something, some good trading decisions on this rally. But the premium clients, obviously, they have traded this whole impulsive wave. Now, if we see, since this is coming down, it got completed. Now here I'm right now on the H4. I want to delete it, and I want to draw your attention to some higher levels that will be helping us in the upcoming week. This is the weekly. So the first thing I do is obviously I find my resistance and support levels. So right here is 2078.45 becomes uh, resistance with us. Resistance is a place from where the price reverses, in simple words. So 1, 2, and this is the third reversal on the weekly. Now on the weekly, obviously I'm getting two levels. Very simple, just like a piece of cake. At one, it is representing 1788, and the other obviously will be down below, but let's just be focused on this 1788 and one, this impulsive wave, the daily, which is this one. $1946.7 to the price the gold is trading at the moment. But what trade setup I gave you when price was right here and then right here is that the bears are now active, and they will be trying to push the market down towards 1908, and result is right here in front of you. Stay with me. Today is going to be a very educational video and session as well. So this bullish wave is followed by, on the daily time frame, is followed by the bulls, and this is like the overall trend that we have at the moment. Let me make it bigger a little bit so that we know that this zone is very strong for you. And see, we have got 1911, 1908, somewhere this zone. Till here everything must be clear to you, okay? Because simpler than this I can't do this, okay? This is the simplest form. I just found resistance, and that's what you are supposed to do. And then you have to find your support. So in this case, 1908.43 is going to become a support for me. If we see the price action a little bit of it, not too in detail. Last week what I said is that it's going to reverse, and it then reverses from a major weekly resistance. But right now I can see that we have got a clear break of structure on the lower time frames, and let me show you that really quickly. Here it is, 1961.15. Now this is not an ordinary level. Stay with me. I'm going to talk about this in detail. Let's first study this 1961.15 in the past. Have a look at it. On 3rd February 2023, this recent February, what it did is a drop from there, and we have entered into this zone once again. So my analysis, which was to hold gold on sell till 1908 or 1911 was actually the place. but it's okay, not a very big difference. Let me make it like this. So first thing first, market has to drop further 300 pips on the daily time frame. And right here, this area is also so much important for me because the bulls were holding it. The bulls were holding it. Plus, this area was also a Fibonacci of this impulsive wave. Price closed below this and seems like it will be continuing back down. Now, in order to find out if this is going to come back down tomorrow, because this is Forex, it will be showing you that, hey, okay, we are going down. The next candle, the next day, when we you see, it will be up. So now I have to find some clues and evidences to find out whether this is a correct breakout. The breakout, I'm sure enough, is very nicely bearish. Even this one, if you see this price action on the daily, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like since last Friday, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Approximately since here. This is the previous market jump on Friday because everyone was leaving their positions. Market was on a previous resistance zone, which became a roll reversal area. Make sure to watch my support resistance video. You can find the link in the description. I have discussed them in too much detail. So people then left their buy trades right here. Then what happened during the week is slowly and gradually the market was coming down, and finally we have got a break below. And this candle is also not very satisfactory, my friends. Let me tell you, on the basis of this, try not to take any sort of buy trade on gold. Stay away from it. Stay neutral if you cannot trade, because there is a strong bearish rally expected. I cannot say that for sure because I have not enough evidence. 1911, let's see that on the H4 and let's find out what we can get right here. Let's first of all find out that if this channel is broken or not. A very silent channel, no one will be highlighting it. I'm doing it, okay everyone, because I take care of my subscribers. Whatever you guys say, I do that, okay, because I'm right here and you are following me. So if you are following me, I'm listening to you, and what you are telling me in the form of comments and WhatsApp messages, I'm doing that right here in these videos, so that, like, if you can easily understand something, that will be very good, right? So no one is sharing this channel right here, and see very cleverly the market is approaching 1914 and 1908. And obviously during every channel there must be what? There must be ups and downs, like the market never moves in one way. So first thing first, the Fibonacci and the ABCD, let's study that. A nice rejection from there and a nice completion of this impulsive wave. We have got a reversal, then we have got a completion. See, completion was somewhere right here, and it's very nice. Then from right here we already have, let's see, the RSI and this and this. Let's see. We have to find out the breakout point for this. Right here, when we have got this breakout, I found what it is going to do next. Stay with me. Stay with me. Here, if you see, what was that? I have found the level, but seems like I have missed that once again. Okay, we have got a breakout. Break of structure occurred. at 2000 price point. So the fresh impulsive wave, and seems like, let's see this on the H1. A 61.8% retracement. Now let's delete everything because I want clean. Don't get bored. I will be giving you another like a revision of it. I will be telling you it once again. So we have this impulsive wave down, and we have this. It got completed right here. Okay, that's fine. On the 30-minute and the H1, the bearish is completed. So what I can assume right now is, if the market is slow, the one thing we have to keep in mind is, and that is, it is very much important for all of us to know, 1961.15, if a daily candle closes above this, then the analysis might be a bit change, I should say. Otherwise, let's see this zone. If the market go back up from here to 1967, from 1961 you can start selling on your demo accounts if you want. So this is one sell opportunity for around 433 pips. Now if the price go up, that's fine, we can take this sell trades upon confirmation, right? On Monday, remember, on Monday or Tuesday, but on Monday the candle should not close above 1961.15. This is so much important. Now it will be going back up till this zone, and we will be taking sell trades on demo, obviously, and the market will be down for 1923. So by then, if we take our profits right here, we are not going to do anything till right here. This is for the week, and let's see. I'm sure enough you will have now no big confusion. Let me also have a look at the weekly as well. Let it be right here, okay? I want to make it a bit small because it's creating so much mess right here. Not small, but thin, I should say. So a very, very nice and perfect trade opportunity as a sell can be found on gold US dollar at somewhere near this zone, remember. And if you remember to take it on demo, and your stop in this situation will be 210 pips, or maybe you can set your stop if you want to leave this trade at the support, then I will recommend to set stop right here, okay? And you can set it right here for long term and continue. Like 500 pips, that's too much, and still I see there is also a chance that the gold may be retracing back to 1790, 1890, sorry. This is one trade opportunity for the upcoming week. Now let's see, and why it will be, let me show you. A very nice downward channel, and 8 19 11, then I will be deciding whether I should take a buy or not. But I think from now, I have no evidence, no data, but from now on, I think if we get a rejection from this trend line, another 600 pips worth of opportunity, it will be a counter trend trade. Remember, from here I will not become bullish, okay? Any trade I take as a buy will be smaller, 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 right? because from there again I will be looking for a sell trade. Stay with me on gold US dollar. A very nice nice impulsive waves are going to form, and it will be a very nice journey together, right? I again even I request you to go through my all of my videos on gold that I uploaded this year, and you will get a clear idea about it. So this is gold, and remember my friends, if like for sure I can say that the inconsistent traders must have got buy trades from here, right? 219 pips, that's nice, but here we have got a very nice uh, double top, I should say, a retest of the previous zone. If I go in further detail on the M30, this chart will become a complete mess, right? So I'm just for this week sticking with this plan. If it is that will be fine. If it continue down, that's okay. We can take smaller trades, smaller trades, smaller trades. But again, this is a very bad approach of making profits, right? Jumping in an open market and not waiting for it. So two important things you have to keep in mind. The number one is 1961.15 daily candle should not close above it. Okay. If on Monday a candle closes above it, above 1961, and the next day you will be trading 1967. So it will be a little bit risky, in my opinion. Then I'm not going to trade it. If it continue back up, I can sell it from here or will find some other level. But if it drops from here, if we get a close above this level on a daily candle closes above it, and the next day it come back and closes like this, we can continue our sell from here. Even in that situation, the stop will be further less and the profit will be very nice compared to the stop loss. So take care of yourself, everyone. Feel free to talk to me on WhatsApp in the comment section. I'm a very friendly right here, and I'm super happy that when I see your comments, I'm super happy that you are liking my content. If you do, please leave me a like and click the subscribe button. Be part of Aftab's Forex trading community, and I am sure it will be a profitable journey together. Thank you so much, everyone, once again for watching this video and staying with me in this session. I will see you tomorrow in the daily forecast, most probably. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.